Hey! Hello there, my fellow HM. Now I am here now to discuss you one of the 7 new wonders of nature. Now before that, I am your tour guide for today, Kuya AJ, and this is the HM Insights. So for today's vlog, my fellow HM, it is all about tourism. Tourism? So what comes first into your mind when you heard the word tourism? Yes, it's the word travel or traveling. My fellow HM, traveling and tourism is related to each other. So you have now an idea about the content of our vlog for today. So before that, can you give me a minute? Wow, what a cool outfit. So without further ado, let's go travel to South America. Wow, this is another beauty of our nature. The main destination of our vlog was the... Look at your back. It's the Amazon River. Amazon River was the largest river that has a large volume of water. It is also disputed as the longest river in the world. The Amazon River was located in Huancayo, Peru. It has an elevation of 5,220 meters or 17,130 feet. It has a length of 6,575 kilometers. Amazon River spans across Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. Also, the Amazon River has a history when it comes to wildlife. One of it is the pirarucu. It's one of the most fascinating fish found in the Amazon. It's the pirarucu, or also known as arapaima or paichi. It has a menacing meat eater that goggles up a fish that has a 3 meters long. And how this creature more dangerous? It has a teeth on the roof of its mouth on its tongue. Wow, that's really amazing, and that was most devastating creature I've ever seen. Wow. What a stunning beauty. You know that? This is the Amazon forest. The Amazon rainforest was the largest tropical rainforest that exists in this world.
Wow!
This comes from the word tropical, which means there are many biodiversity that lives in this environment. This rainforest has a size of 5.5 million kilometers. Wow, that is a huge size in terms of a tropical rainforest. Hey buddy, let's have some trivia, guys. This bird was called the scarlet macaw. This bird was belong to the group called the neotropical parrot that is called macaw. I have a trivia on you guys. Did you know that this bird can talk also? Let's talk. Hello.